Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Here is a simple recipe for stuffed Indian bread with cauliflower called Gobhi Parantha. Start off by sifting 165 grams of whole wheat flour to remove excess bran. Add in 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of oil. Add 20 centiliters of hot water little by little. Combine the mixture to a dough. Be very careful not to burn yourself. Wet your hands in order to knead this hard and sticky dough. Knead it for 2 minutes and let it rest. For stuffing, blend 250 grams of raw cauliflower. Dice a red onion. Grate 2 cloves of garlic and 10 grams of ginger. Heat a pan with some oil. Add 1 teaspoon each of mustard and fennel seeds. Sprinkle a couple of pinches of asafoetida and add in the onion. When onion is transparent, add in the garlic, ginger and the cauliflower. Sprinkle a teaspoon of garam masala, 3/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of chili powder and a teaspoon of mango powder. Generously season the stuffing with some salt. Cook it for a couple of minutes until cauliflower is tender. Turn the heat off and sprinkle the stuffing with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Divide the dough into 8 parts and roll them into balls. Dust with flour before rolling them out into 10 cm diameter circles. Place 2 tablespoons of stuffing in the center. Close and seal. Dust it with some flour before rolling it out into a 15 cm diameter circle. It is important to keep the sealed side facing up. Heat a pan with some oil and fry until golden on both sides.